Need to add a title to your video? Whether it's an opening title, a section heading, or an ending screen, OpenShot free video editing software makes it easy to create professional looking titles in just a few clicks. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add and customize titles in OpenShot step by step in less than 3 minutes. With your video clip in the timeline, go up to Title, click, and then click Title again, and you can see there's multiple templates to choose from. Just select the one that best fits your project, and then you'll be able to customize it. With your template selected, you can now customize it. You can add your title name, whatever you like. You can change the font. You can change the text color. And once you're finished customizing, just click Save. And it'll save your title to the project files. Now you want to place your title on the timeline. Just grab it and pull it down to the track above your video clip. If there is no track above your video clip, right-click next to your video clip and select Add Track Above. To adjust the length of time that your title appears, just select the edge and pull it out. If you want to make adjustments to your title after it's created, make them here in the Project Files window, not down here. Just right-click, select Edit, make the adjustments you would like to make, click OK and Save, and then your changes will take effect. When adding titles to your videos, remember that most viewers only have a few seconds to read what's on the screen, so simple titles are usually the most effective. And that's how easy it is to add titles in OpenShot. If you want more videos that answer your questions without wasting time, just come back to see us. If you have questions or topic suggestions, just drop them in the comments.